Hi, I'm Sue Wilson, and I'm going to share a card with you today that's probably one of the most difficult kinds of cards to make, a sympathy card. I don't know what the tried and true answer to this is, but for me, it's keep it simple, keep it neutral. So I thought that this would make a really nice sympathy card to share with you. So I'll show you what we'll be using. We have the With Sympathy die from our mini expressions. And I'm going to be using the Roxy die. And I'm also going to be doing a little bit of embossing with the Brambled Rose embossing folder. And so I've got a piece of milk card, and I'll give you a little measurement on it. I'm only going to do part of the front of the card with the embossing. So this is 5 inches by 4 3/4, excuse me. I'm going to put it inside of our Brambled Rose folder and pop that down, and our raspberry adapter plate is the sandwich. I think this gives some lovely texture to the card. And let me get under the edge of that. There we go. So you can see that's just really, really nice. I think it's a lovely texture. It's just a really nice, soft, simple background. So what I've done is I've gone in with another piece of milk card and matted and layered with a little bit of black. The overall size on this is just a hair over 6 inches that way and 5 3/4 inches this way. So I'm going to go ahead, I'll just use a little bit of double-sided tape here. Pop that on. And we're going to line it up just with the far edge over here. See if we can get that on nice and straight. There we go. A little bit this way. Okay, so I'm just going to use the Roxy die along this edge here. So we're going to go ahead and cut one. I'm going to bring in fact, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll do my outline first, and I'm just going to use the outside portion. I'm going to cut both pieces at the same time just to save a little bit of time. So that will give me both pieces that I need for that. And then I'm just going to bring this one back in and cut the design out of it. Line that up. Let's see if I can get some of these bits out. And pop that out. You just want to gently kind of go around the edge. This has got a lot of detail to it, so don't pull too hard. And right under that tape, I need to get in there. Let's move that off of there. And pop those bits out. There we go. Okay, so you can see I've got some really nice detail. It looks like I've gotten all the follow way out. So I'm going to attach the back to it, and we'll just use a little bit of spray glue for that. And I don't need that anymore. Let's set that to the side. And I'm going to line that up. Just lay that on top there. Give that a second to set up. Now I want to cut the center out, so I actually need the middle die out of this. There we go. Oops. And I'm going to lay that down, go back to my tape, line it up really nice and evenly. There we go. And I'll just use this piece up here again. And go back to my cutting machine. Oop. Okay. So now I'm going to take the center of this out. There we go. So what I want to use is just this portion of the die. So I'm going to bring in my scissors. I'm just going to round this off there. And I'm going to just take it around this direction a little bit. So it's actually a bit shorter. And use the edge of that. There we go. You can tidy that up a little bit if you like. So it looks like a big fan. It's quite pretty, I think. And then you want to make sure to put your die back onto your magnetic sheet. Get all your tape off. There we go. Okay, pop that down. So now I'm going to use this section right here, and I've got a little bit of sticky on there from my tape, so I'm going to go back in with an adhesive remover. Just pop that off, and I think we'll just put that down with a bit of glue on the back. All those little spots there. Try and get that right on that emboss line. There we go. Adds just a nice little flourish. Okay, so I've got the backing here with the milk card and the black, same colors. Just a nice neutral theme. We're going to pop that right in the middle there. There we go. And I've done the With Sympathy twice here out of black. I'm going to use a little bit of glue on that. We're going to layer that up, make that a bit stronger. In fact, hold on, this one's gotten a little bit moved. Pop that down. Just line it up where the swirls are. They may move a little bit, so you can push them back into place. Give that a second. Because you've got that embossing, you want to just really give it a second to catch, since it's not completely flat. There we go. That'll start to stick. And I think that's about as simple a card as we can make. And I think it's probably, like I said, it's a difficult subject matter, so it's a personal choice, but I think this would work lovely. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and you'll look for us on our YouTube channel again soon.